everyone, Emily McKinnon here with Guarantee RV. Welcome back. We are located in Junction City, which is right between Corvallis and Eugene, right off of the Highway 99. Today I'm going to present to you a brand new 2020 Ventana by Newmar. This is a 3709 floor plan. Absolutely gorgeous interior. I'm going to take you real quick around the outside to show you all of the amazing storage features that this coach has. We do have our side view cameras here. That's going to show up right in your dash in your captain's side. We've got nice extended mirrors here as well. First of all, beautiful paint job. This is a full body paint. We've got storage galore under here. Nice outside TV that this coach comes with. Beautiful frameless windows. And then we have your storage drawers, 1 and 2. Very easy to slide in and out. This one on this side, the smaller one, is a, it goes both ways to slide, and so you can access it from both ends of the motorhome. You do have a central vacuum in this motorhome. You can connect those right here. Those are your attachments. That way you can clean out your storage bays, vacuum out your car, anything else that you're going to need, and then you can also use that inside as well. You do have this is for your tools. They give you a little tool pegboard, very convenient. So you've got everything accessible. All your house batteries and everything are going to be right back here. We're on 360 horsepower. This does have the 360 view camera, so you can get a good bird's eye view when you're backing in, and your backup camera is going to be right above there as well. You've got awning toppers and window awnings for all of the windows and your slides. More storage on this side. We've got your wet bay here. What I love about this is that this hose is on a reel, so it's super easy to pull in and out. Plus, you can stick this hose right in between here, so you don't have to have all of that. You don't have to have your door, anything open, and they make that really easy for you to use when you're camping. Here's another camera for the 360 view. I really love that feature. These are lit, as you can see, and just showing you that this pulls either way for your storage, so that no matter how you're parked at your campsite, you can have access to that storage. Okay, so we are inside of the brand new 2020 Ventana 3709. What an absolutely gorgeous floor plan. I love the new detail that they did here. These are magnetic, by the way, so if you needed to get behind there and clean, that's a really nice feature. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting in all the little cracks and stuff. This does have a televator, so this is going to come up out of the beautiful Corian countertop that you have here. Nice big windows. They put that nice big beautiful window right here in your kitchen. Lets in a lot of light. Plus you can see where you're camping at. You can look at your scenery. This does double as a cutting board. Induction cooktop, 2-burner. You can bring this outside, so it is removable. Backing up a little bit here, I want to point out that there is a fireplace here, an electric fireplace. Really, really nice ambiance. If it's a little colder at night and you just want to have that ambiance. Beautiful storage. Nice big drawers. Plus soft closing. Who doesn't love that? I love the handles that they put on for this year. Tons of counter space. Beautiful expandable faucet. Nice stainless steel sink, double. All of your lights easily accessible throughout. Again, just ample storage. This is a 2.5 bath, or excuse me, 1.5 bath. Here's your half. Lots of nice storage in there. And in under 40 feet, they did this in 37 feet with a 1.5 bath. Really nice. This is where you would put in your attachments for your vacuum. Nice king size bed, again with the beautiful decor. Beautiful ceiling features. I just love it. And then here is the master bathroom. We do have the AquaView water saver in this one. Nice amount of storage. You have extra tile there, a safe to lock away your items, your sink, medicine cabinet, tons of storage in this restroom. Then on this side, we have, this is pre-plumbed for a washer and dryer. If you're wanting that, we can certainly install it here at Guarantee before you, so it's there when you deliver. But if you do want to use it as a huge closet, you absolutely have that option. This is your emergency egress door. Super easy to use. Just unlock it, pop it out, pull this tab, and there's a telescoping ladder that goes down in case you should ever need it in an emergency. Let's go back around, and I want to show you the ample storage in the bedroom as well. When you're camping, when you're looking for an RV, I've never had anybody say, well, there's too much storage. It's always there's not enough. And so this coach is just one example of how Newmar provides an amazing amount of storage for their owners. Absolutely beautiful, huge residential all-electric fridge. Keep all your meat there from hunting, all your favorite beverages. You do not need to be away from home when you own a 2020 Ventana 3709. You've got a beautiful Euro booth there with, again, tons of storage underneath. Plus, you've got these ottomans that are really comfortable for just lounging, or if you're wanting to kind of double them as a little coffee table, maybe put your magazine, your coffee on there early in the morning, you can do that. This pulls out to a bed. These chairs turn around. You have beautiful flex steel furniture with the ultra leather. It's extremely durable, dog resistant for the nails, maybe not cat resistant, I don't know, but still beautiful. Again, if you want to learn more, if you want to drive it, it's an absolutely great, fun coach to drive. I highly, highly recommend it. Please give me a call. My name is Emily McKinnon, 512-213-9635, or at my office is 541-998-1148, extension 2519. Until next time, enjoy the road.